Hello and welcome to the IATEFL 2019 conference app. In this video we will navigate the speakers section. This year you're able to navigate the speakers section by pressing this speakers button here on the top right hand side of the app, where you will find all the speakers of this year's conference listed here in alphabetical order. If you press on the name of the speaker you're interested in, you will be able to see more information about their session. You can read the title of the session, the time of the session, the venue, as well as the type of session. This particular one, for example, belongs to the English for Academic Purposes category and Learning Technologies category. If I want to read more about the session, I will press on it and I'll be able to read the description, the abstract of the session. Going back, I might be interested in this session, so I will press this star here. By doing that, the session is now added under my schedule. So if I go to my profile, and I can do that by pressing my initials at the top right corner of the app, I can press my schedule. And I see the session I saved for this video here. Now, if I want to, I can download this on my phone, and I can save the sessions that I've saved, that I chose. I pressed the star button. I can save all of them on my phone's calendar by pressing this download button right below my initials, choosing iCalendar, and here I will see a list of all of them. If I press add all, they will all automatically be saved on my computer or on my phone or on my tablet, depending on what I'm using. If I go back to the home screen of this app, I can use the navigation menu. These are the three lines on the top left corner of the app, and I see it, and right below speakers I see plenaries. If I choose plenaries, I can see all the plenaries listed here. If I want to read more about a particular session, say the Friday session, I choose it, and here I can see the abstract. I can see information about the presenters or the facilitators of the session, and I can add this session to my schedule just by clicking here, which will take me back to the previous screen.